Joe is back, and here's the carburetor sitting on the small block. It's a 75 Corvette, 388 cubic inch stroker, dressed up to look like an LT1. Let's go take a look at the other side. Okay, I've done the preliminary startups, and I've adjusted the idle. The bowls are adjusted properly. Wide open throttle, went full on the floor, and she's idling about 800 RPM. It's doing a good job. Runs great. Okay, I put on an air filter, and I want to have the stock look, and I think I've accomplished that. It looks like a stock LT1, but it's making some big time horsepower with the solid lifter cam and that big Holley 4 Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock RPM Performer heads, 388 cubic inches. Engine pulls close to 7 grand. She swings pretty hard. Punch it in second gear, the tires light up. Yeah. Well, we're happy with the results. I have the stock valve covers. I had roller rockers on this, but I took those off and I replaced them with the Magnum tip rollers so they'd fit under the stock valve covers. It still revs great, still runs great. It's a good street machine. Now for the rest of the car, just been painted. See if we can get, it's sitting here in a garage. Got a beautiful paint job. Awesome body work, straight as an arrow. Really pleased with the results. Really pleased with the way this car looks. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, the Corvette's in great shape. Needs a little bit of detailing, but that's it. You can see.